Good morning everyone and welcome to today's lesson. The lesson today is a video lesson recorded in advance. The advantage for you is of course that you can pause or rewind the video if there is anything you don't understand. Today's video is about our new chapter. I would like you to watch a clip introducing our new chapter. The link to the clip can be found in the cahier de texte on Pronote for today's lesson, where you found this video, in fact. So pause this and go and see the clip. I recommend you watch it twice. Welcome back. Now please go to the front desk and find the worksheet that looks like this and is called Introduction to Our New Chapter. Your mission is to try and answer all 10 questions without looking at the video again. When you have answered the questions, you can see the video to check. And do remember, of course, to stick your sheet. Please leave a space for the evaluations that I will give you back in the next lesson. As you surely understood, our new chapter is about Ireland. Just a word on the pronunciation. The country Ireland is pronounced exactly the same as the term island. The only difference is the spelling. Here is the chapter sheet. You can also find this on the front desk. Do stick it in and make sure you leave space for vocabulary. Don't hesitate to write down vocabulary in this video. Here are some symbols of Ireland. If you write the title Island Symbols and then try to list as many of these that you recognise as possible. We will check them together in class tomorrow. You now need to go and get one of these maps from the front desk. Before going to the next slide, pause this video and try to name the different countries you can see. You should have 5 countries. Here are the answers. The dark blue parts are Scotland. Below to the south you have England. In the west you've got Wales. And the island of Ireland is made up of Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. It's very important to remember that the Republic of Ireland is completely separate to the rest of the United Kingdom. In fact, it is still part of the European Union and they use euros. The other countries, which make up the United Kingdom, use the pound. Here are the flags of all the countries you've just seen. Now try to name the flags and draw small versions on your map. The answers are on the next slide. So, the big flag at the top, which we call the Union Jack, is the flag of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So it includes the countries of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The Irish flag for the Republic of Ireland is completely separate. Do note that Northern Ireland doesn't officially have its own flag, but for sports events it sometimes uses the one that you can see here. So our chapter is about Ireland, known in Gaelic, the Irish language, as Éire. You can see the word in the top left. The capital of the Republic of Ireland is Dublin and the capital of Northern Ireland is Belfast. You now have different worksheets to do. There are 4 in total. Here are 2 examples. For each of the worksheets you have a text to read and then an activity written in bold at the bottom. You can choose which worksheet you do first, stick it in your copybook, have a read of the text, and do the activity afterwards. You have your computers, don't hesitate to look up any new vocabulary and write it in your copybook. It is very important, as always, that you try to find a synonym or a definition and not just a translation. I promise you it will help you to learn the words more easily. If you finish all 4 activity sheets, then number 1, congratulations. Number 2, have you really finished? And if the answer is yes, then I'd like you to make a small timeline about Ireland. Here are some dates and information. Try to make it much prettier than this. And then I think that should be enough for the whole lesson. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye.